wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anugerah Ali Wardana. I am from Mathematics Education Study Program, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, State University of Jakarta. On this occasion, I will explain how to solve the problem about the integral application in the economics field. The integral application in the economics field, we discussed this time about consumer surplus and producer surplus. Okay, now we will try to solve the problem about the consumer surplus and producer surplus. The problem is, so based on the problem, what do we get or know about the problem? Yes, we are given two functions, namely the supply function and the demand function of a product. Okay, we are given two functions. The first function is the supply function. The supply function is indicated by Qs. Qs is equals to 4p subtracted from 60. And the demand function is indicated by Qd. Is equals to negative 30 is added to 5p. And then to find out how much the producer surplus and the consumer surplus, we can do it in two different ways. Maybe we work on the first method. For the first method, we can use Okay, from the previous explanation, we get PE is equals to 10. So what is the simple way to find producer surplus and consumer surplus? To find producer surplus and consumer surplus, it's just this formula. First, is a consumer surplus. Consumer surplus is equals to integral from P to P, function of P dP. And producer surplus is equals to integral P to PE for the function of P dP. So we must find P in this formula from this function. P for consumer surplus is from demand function or QD. Okay. We will change QD to is equals to 0. And then 0 is equals to 60 minus 4p, and we get P is equals to 15. This is P for consumer surplus. And the second, we must find P in producer surplus from supply function. It's the same way. Qs is equals to 0, and then 0 is equals to negative 30 plus 5p, and we get P is equals to 6. Is equals to 6. And after that, we can find the consumer surplus and producer surplus with the substitute P in this formula. Okay, for consumer surplus, integral from P is 10, from 10 to 15 for the function of PdP. Function of PdP in this formula is indicated to QD, function of demand function. 60 minus 4p, we calculate, and we substitute 10 and 15. And we get the result is 50. And for producer surplus, integral from P to P, from 6 to 10 for the function of supply is negative 30 plus 5p dp is equals negative 30p plus 5p square 6 to 10, and we substitute and we get the result is 40. So this is the simple way to find producer surplus and consumer surplus. The result is the same with the previous ways. Thank you for watching this video. I hope my presentation can be useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.